Once a lamb was playing in a pasture. A wolf happened to come there. He wanted to eat the lamb, but he wanted to have some fun with it first. He thus addressed him. Ah, there you are. You grossly insulted me last year. The lamb was bewi- bewildered at this unjust accusation. He stood stunned in silence. When he came to his senses, he bleated mournfully, "Indeed, I was not then born." Sir, then the wolf fawned in fury and said, "You feed in my pasture." The little lamb replied respectfully, "No, good sir, I am too young to taste grass. I have not yet eaten any blade of grass." The wolf got infuriated at his rude reply. He frowned and growled, "You drink of my well and make its water unclean." "No," the little lamb bleated humbly, "I don't know yet what to drink, for my mother's milk is both food and drink for me." Upon the wolf got furious. He said, "Even though you refute every one of my imputation, I cannot miss such an opportunity to taste soft flesh." Saying this, he jumped forward, seized him, and pushed his big teeth into his tender body. In no time, he tore him open and surfeited himself with fresh meat. A tyrant always finds a pretext for his tyranny.